Glam doll, so excited to be here to share this makeup look with you all. So I'm starting off by prepping my skin using my Skin Nutrition's 1% hyaluronic acid and vitamin C serum. It is an anti-aging serum, and it also has a clinical formula within it to help improve my skin texture, the clarity of my skin. It provides intense moisture and balance. It brightens my skin. It helps reduce the fine lines and wrinkles, and it combats against sunspots and skin discolorations too, and it's in your local Dollar Tree. So now I'm gonna move into priming my eyelids by using this hard candy eyelid primer, and with the warmth of my fingertips blending all the way up towards my brow bone. Then taking my MAC mineralized skin finish in the color called medium deep to set that primer, and I'm also using this as a transitional color just to help my eyeshadows to blend together more smoothly. And this is my MAC mineralized skin finish in the color called medium deep. So here's the fun part, the palette, and it smells just like peaches. So I'm taking the first color called Outgoing. I'm popping that directly into my crease in a windshield type motion, being sure to blend back and forth so I don't have any harsh lines. I'm then going to take some black cream shadow, and the blackness of this is what's going to help make the brown eyeshadow pop that much better. Going back into the palette, taking the color called Special, and with a flat shader brush I'm going to begin patting this on the entire mobile area of my eye. But then I quickly realized I had the wrong brush, so I got a more dense eyeshadow brush, which will make the application of the eyeshadow that much better, as you can see. And the color that I'm using is called Special, and I'm taking it and I'm putting it only on the mobile area of my eye, being sure to pat it on. I'm not blending this, I'm only patting it on the entire mobile area of my eye. Then I'm going to go ahead and pick back up the blending brush with whatever residue is on it and begin buffing and blending in a windshield type motion. This is to help to avoid me having any harsh lines, because I want the gradient effect of this being a smoky eye. So once I do this part, I'm going to go back into the palette with a pointed precision brush, and I'm picking up the color called Outspoken, and it's a nice rusted brown color, and I'm putting that directly into the crease, and I'm applying it in a windshield type motion, being sure to keep it nice and low and only in the crease, because like I said, I want to create that gradient smoky eye effect. So this color is called Outspoken, and I'm popping that directly into the crease. Off camera, I did the false eyelashes and wing liner, and I'm taking my Silicone beauty blender that I purchased from my local Dollar Tree, and I'm going to start applying my foundation. Now here's the interesting thing. Once I started using this Silicone beauty blender, my makeup have since forever changed. The application of my makeup looked that much smoother, it applies that much faster, and with that much less product. Yes, these blenders are definitely worth your dollars looking for, and they right there in your local Dollar Tree. Now it's time for me to highlight underneath the areas of my eyes. In doing so, I'm using my Maybelline Age Rewind Under Eye Concealer, and I'm putting that underneath the areas of my eyes. And I'm going to use another Silicone beauty blender, and this time it's in a teardrop shape that looks like that right there. And look at how effortlessly easy it's blending out that concealer. OMG. Like I said, these silicone blenders are available right in your local Dollar Tree. They are definitely worth you dollars looking into. I kid you not. It blends out my makeup effortlessly easy, and it gives me a more smoother application than using my regular makeup brushes. I'm so happy to have found them. So I'm now contouring by using my Maybelline Super Stay foundation stick, and I'm applying the contour along the perimeters of my face, but this time I'm gonna take my facial blending brush and blend that out, and make sure I blend it out to avoid having any harsh lines, demarcations. And then I'm taking my LA Colors highlight, which is in a golden peach color, and I'm gonna put that on the edge of my beauty blender. And this is a sponge beauty blender, and I'm applying that directly along the bridge of my cheeks in a tapping motion, being sure to blend it out as I apply this, and it gives me a gorgeous highlight that's not overwhelming. I absolutely love that. And that's in Dollar Tree too. So now it's time for my favorite blush in the whole wide world, my Milani Cosmetic Rose de Rio. A little bit goes a long way because I'm not much of a blush wearer. I'm going to set my makeup using my Skindinavia makeup setting spray. Once I set the makeup, I'm then going to go ahead and begin applying my lipsticks by first using my lip pencil by Milani Cosmetics called Cocoa. So sorry. And a regular nude lipstick and some lip gloss and dolls. This is now pretty much concluding the look. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. The Profusion palette is definitely worth you dolls looking into. I absolutely love the results and how this came out. Thank you all for watching this video, and I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.